Hey everyone, good morning to all. I hope you're doing well. And in this video, I'm going to share you good things. 2026 around the corner, and now it's time to accomplish our goal. Yeah, 1 month left, and then we will celebrate 2026 because we have a lot of dream to accomplish, but still we are lacking. We don't know how to accomplish our goal. And if you really want to accomplish your goals, so please stick my video till the end, because in this video I'm going to share you something good thing for you guys. And if you are new, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Whenever I upload which is Hindi English content, so you get notification easily. So let's begin. And why Lavanya upload Hindi video also? You are thinking, I think. Yeah. So first I would say why I upload Hindi video, because I have a lot of things, and I have a lot of books also, and I have a lot of knowledge to share, because I love to share. So that's why. And if you really like my video, so please subscribe my channel. Yeah, so now it's time to accomplish our goal, and now it's time to make good and healthy to-do list. But we wonder, we don't know how to make good and healthy to-do list. So that's why guys, I'm telling to you, first you have to grab pen and paper and jot it on your diary when I will tell something good thing, so it's benefit for you. And if you don't know English, so simply turn on subtitle. Sometimes what happened, we wonder what she is speaking, so that's why I'm telling you, please turn on subtitle, and then you will get easily what I'm talking about you. Okay, when we wake up, we wake up sometimes 6, sometimes 8, sometimes 10, depend on us. So what times table on you, and then what time you will wake up. So that times what happen, we simply grab our phone and then we scrolling, unless scrolling, and then we are thinking like, oh my god, I wasted my half an hour, oh my god, I wasted my 1 2 3 hours, and that times we regret ourselves. So now it's time to utilize that time. So what I would you do to utilize my time? We have question. This question you have also. So that times, if you want to become a good speaker, if you want to learn English, if you want to crack interview, so that times you will watch only interview video. And if you really want to become a fluent speaker, good speaker, if you learn English, so that times you have to listen every day. So first you jot your diary like, I want to become a fluent speaker, and now it's time to read, write, watch something good thing related to you. If you are a beginner, so you have to watch beginner level video. And if you are intermediate, so that times you will watch intermediate video. And you have to say, yes, I don't know English and I really want to learn English. So that times you have to start only listening. I'm talking about only 15 minutes every day. You set your times, like just I woke up and now it's time to listen. And that time simultaneously when you listen, so that times you have to listen very actively. Like what is the active listen? So that times when you will listen now with voice, beginner level video, I'm already mentioned to you, if you are a beginner, if you are an intermediate, if you are an advanced level, so that times you have to listen very actively. Like that times simultaneously when you will listen, so that times you simply on subtitle, and then that times you imitate that words also. Like what, like you have to follow shadow practice. Yes, I'm talking about shadow practice. When you will do shadow practice, and then you will see changes, you will achieve your fluency also, and then you will know what is the exact meaning. And sometimes we wonder what is the exact meaning, so that times you simply go to Google and then uh, jot that words, and then now you know, and then when you will speak front of mirror, front of camera, front of your partners, your whatever, your family member, so that times you will use that word. So when you will listen, so that times now when you will listen, so that times you do shadow practice simultaneously, and again you watch, you know, very strictly, like ऐसे करके एकदम वॉच करना उस वीडियो को, एंड देन दैट टाइम्स यू हैव टू मेमोराइज ऑल द वर्ड। एक ही साथ में 15 मिनट्स में आपको 3 थिंग्स करने को मिल रहा है, लाइक वॉच कर रहे हैं एंड स्पीकिंग कर रहे हैं एंड देन लिसनिंग कर रहे हैं। And now you already did that video 1 month, daily आप beginner basis video, you already watch lot of video related to beginner, okay, 1 month में आपने खूब सारा video, and now you already watched video, lot of video, and now it's time to speak. But we have excuses. What excuses I'm talking about? Because we don't have any partner. Yes, we have, that's the biggest reason. So that's why we don't want to speak in front of people. Why? The reason is we don't have any partner. And how can I speak in front of people? Because I don't have any partner. These kind of feelings we have. You already did a lot of things like listening, reading, and shadowing practice also you did, and now it's time to speak front of camera. Yes, I'm talking about front of camera. You have to simply grab your small mirror, and that times you have to say what you simply introduce yourself. Yeah, I don't want to anything else. आधा इंग्लिश तो वही है, यू हैव टू इंट्रोड्यूस योर सेल्फ, एंड देन नाउ यू कंप्लीटली नो योर इंट्रोडक्शन, एंड इट्स टाइम टू लर्न समथिंग गुड थिंग, लाइक वी नो एवरीथिंग लिटिल, हमको आधी इंग्लिश आती है, वी नो लिटिल इंग्लिश, लाइक हाय, हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग, हाउ आर यू, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग. So these kind of words we know still, and now it's time to speak, because without speaking it's not possible to learn English. Why we want to learn English? We have motive. Why? The reason is we want to speak in front of people. हम English क्यों सीख रहे हैं? Why we are learning English? We want to speak in front of people, so that's why we are learning English now. That is why we want to learn English. we don't have any sorry, we don't have any reason to learn English, am I right? So what do you do for my English? So that time I already mentioned, and then you already did lot of things, and it's time to speaking. I already said to you, like मिरर प्रैक्टिस करो, एंड पता नहीं खराश आ गया गले में, मिरर प्रैक्टिस करो, एंड छोटा छोटा वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करो. एंड व्हाट हैपन, स्टार्टिंग टाइम्स यू फील लिटिल फनी, लाइक व्हाट आई एम डूइंग. Yes, that times we feel little, like sigh. Why? Because we never ever do that work, so that's why. But it's okay. You have to say yourself, like it's okay. Why I'm doing? The reason is I want to become a fluent speaker, so that's why I'm doing. And I really want to break my comfort zone. Yes, I really want to break my comfort zone. This is my ultimate goal. Like, yeah, I want to become a public speaker, I want to become a mentor, I want to become a teacher. So that's why I'm learning English, and one day I'll speak in front of people. And I really want to overcome my comfort zone. When you will overcome your comfort zone, you will accomplish all the goals. If you want to become a doctor, if you want to become a teacher, if you want to become an engineer, if you want to become an IAS officer, so you have to make your to-do list. You set a goal, like today I did this, and now it's time to jump another topic. You every day do only 15 minutes good activity. You have to say yourself like, yes, I'm enthusiastic person. I want to accomplish my goal, and it's time to do something productive thing. And I already waste my time. I already waste my 2025, and now it's time to use my 2026. And I really I want to achieve my goal 2026. I really want to achieve my goals. You have to say, like, every day, we call our friends, every day we scroll phone, every day we do a lot of activity, like our daily routine. So that times we feel very comfortable because we are habituated to do. So that's why. And when it's come to the reading, when it's come to the writing, when it's come to the com- fulfill our dreams, so that times we are very uncomfortable. Why? We don't want to read, we don't want to write, we don't want to watch good things. That times we very distract our mind. We that times think like, no, yeah, I don't want to watch that video. This is not my cup of tea. It's enough is enough, and now it's time to go to scroll video. Yeah, we think like, and then our subconscious mind is strictly like, relentlessly we say like, you have to watch reels, and don't watch good things. Why? Have you ever thought? The reason is we are uncomfort zone, so that's why. And when we come feel when we go to our comfort zone, so that times we feel very happy. Yeah, because human tendency, we love to stay our comfort zone. We really don't want to overcome our comfort zone, so that's why. So it's time to wind up our video because time is running, and I already talked 12 minutes. So if you really like my video and if you really accomplish your goal, so please make good and healthy to-do list, and please subscribe my channel. We will meet very soon. तब तक के लिए बाय एंड टेक केयर.